Good morning, students. Welcome back for online classes. Today we are just going to begin the next video, the next rule of direct indirect speech. So first, I'm just going to write the heading, name of the chapter, direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. Clear, students? And today just I am going to tell the rule of the optative sentence. Optative sentence. So here optative sentence. Okay. Optative sentence, when we say optative sentence, it means we are just going to study about the sentence wherever the word comes as such a emotion, whenever you give like curse someone or you just bless someone. Clear? So wish someone, that is known as optative kind of the sentences. So for the rule of optative sentences, for changing to direct to indirect form, so here set to change into first set to change. So set to change into what? In a different way, according the sense. If the sense has come, wished or prayed, then you write prayed here. Prayed or wished. Here, according the sentence. If sentence come as cursed, you write cursed. Whatever meaning comes according that. Understand na? If it is coming blessed, so you may write blessed. Blessed. Set to change to paid, wished, cursed, and blessed. And for removing inverted comma, here for removing inverted comma in the place of connector, it's mean removing inverted comma, we write word that. That is used. Next thing, usually such kind of the sentences, word start with the may, M-A-Y, may. Here, may God bless you. And that is non-optative sentences. So, may change into might. Clear? So, by the example, I will tell you the rule. He said, clear? May God bless you. May God bless you. He said, may God bless you. In such kind of sentences, we find also exclamatory marks also. Clear? May God bless you. Such kind of sentences we find here. So here, emotions what come? As a bless, So you may write here, he blessed. Okay. So here the bless word has come. It can come in a twice. So you may use here the pray also. Pray, na? So you may use also pray. He prayed. He prayed. Now, connector, removing inverted comma, we use that. Subject is God, you write God. May change into might. God might bless. After might, we always use first form. Bless, you can change him also. Usually, if there is no any object, we use third person. Clear? He prayed that God might bless him. Clear? So, this is the example, and in this way we can use of the optative sentence. Fine, students? So, some more example only I may tell you here that you may understand better. Suppose the word has come, mother said to me, may you live long. Mother said to me, may you live long. So what will come? Mother blessed me. Clear? Mother blessed me. May you live long will mean that I might live long. That I might live long. Understand now? So such this can come. She said to me, may you get success. She said to me, may you get success. So she wished me that I might get success. Clear, students? So we can use in a such form. May can into use in the form of the might. Understand now? Okay. So this part is over. Now we'll begin the next part, exclamatory sentences. Okay. So exclamatory sentences. Okay. So let me write heading first, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, it tells like joy, sorrow, clear, any kind of achievement, surprise, anger, a kind of the strong emotions, no? Exclamation sentence, that joy, very sad, surprise, clear? So such kind of the word come in exclamatory sentences. Okay? So and the word comes like oh, ah, no, or bravo, clear? Such kind of word comes, and exclamatory sign of exclamation also comes in exclamatory sentences. Fine, exclamatory sentences, hooray, bravo, well done. Such kind of words are used in exclamatory sentence. Sometimes it can begin with the what also, what and how also. What a beautiful. Okay, whether it is, and how intelligent she is. So what and how, such kind of word also come in exclamatory sentences. Fine. So for in this case we use exclaimed, we would use place of said to be used exclaimed with whatever emotions come. Clear? And then after that we use that is compulsory. Clear? We use that also. So first I am telling what to use and how. First rule, set to change into exclaimed. Exclaimed, that is E. Exclaimed with whatever word come. If it is surprise, then exclaimed with surprise. If it is matter of happiness, so exclaimed with joy. If it is disappointed, exclaimed with sorrow. Understand, no? So whatever word comes, whatever emotions come, we write exclaimed with, and that particular emotion. Clear? And next, connector. Connector set to change into it. Here it also comes that. We use, sorry, that comes. Clear? That is used here. And interjections come such kind of oh, ah, la, surre, that you know. Clear? And I will tell the rule what and how also. So first by the example, let me write example, then you may understand better. Clear, students? Okay. Okay, one example. Let's suppose that word is given Priya. Said, comma, inverted comma. Clear? Alas. Sign of exclamation mark. Okay, this is the such kind of word can come. Alas, I am ruined. This is the here interjection, symbol of interjection. I am ruined. Inverted comma close. Here Priyanka said, alas, I am ruined. So here it is such kind of symbol, and I am ruined, the emotions whatever has come, it's when it has emotions of pain, na? So we can use the same. How Priya exclaimed with what will come here? Sorrow. Understand? Exclaimed with sorrow. And now the connector, what will come connector? Here I am writing connector that. Now I. So I first person change recording. Priyanka third person. It means she will come. She. I am ruined. This is the simple present, and simple present to simple past. She was ruined. She was ruined. So Priya exclaimed with sorrow that she was ruined. Here, so in this way we can use exclamatory sentences are used in a such way. Understand now? Next, one more example. She said. Okay, let me write with another color. There will be no confusion. She said, comma, inverted comma, what a beautiful girl she is. She is. Exclamation mark, inverted comma close. Beautiful. She exclaimed, what a beautiful girl she is. As I told you, sometimes the sentence can begin the way of what and how also. So your word starts with the what a beautiful girl she is. Clear? So here, in such a cases, what we here happiness, now the emotions come as happiness. So we write she exclaimed. She exclaimed with joy. She exclaimed with joy. Clear? She exclaimed with joy. That, we write connector that. Now we are talking about the she. Third person not change. She. Here we talk about the third person is not change. Then each change into was. She was beautiful girl. So beautiful, because it has, we are changing assertive sentence, so we use very in the place of what. So she was very beautiful. Beautiful girl. Understand? So she exclaimed with joy that she was very beautiful girl. Understand now? She was a very, here because one girl, na? She was a. Huh? She was a very beautiful girl. Clear, students? So in this way, just I taught all the rules of narration. Clear? I taught you that first how to change the first tenses. Okay, rule changing the tense. After tense, I told how to change the person. Clear? Rule of person I told. Then I told that set to how it is used, means inverted, if assertive sentence comes, imperative sentence comes. Clear? Or interrogative sentence comes, exclamatory, optative, such kind of sentence how to use. So all the parts are over. Clear? Now your narration or direct indirect portion, the form of video is over, and next time we will begin the exercise. So exercise will begin the later, and today just now your complete narration is over. Just I am going to now wind up the class. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.